Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, student. Today we are going to discuss the remaining 25 objectives. So you people kindly take out your answer sheet. Hurry up along with your pencil. Speed up, student. Okay. Look at 76. Okay. Objective number 76. Here, dash multiply by 8 is equal to 96. You people read out table of 8 up to the number, yet you people get the answer 96. Clear? Hurry up. Options are 9, 10, 11 and 12. Done it? Okay, 77. In 4520, the place value of 5 is, again this question is related to the topic place value, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. You people solve such a type objective in very start. Okay, so what is the place value of 5? Write the correct option on your answer sheet. Hurry up. Options are ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Done it? Objective number 78. In 9001, the place value of 9 is 1000, ones, 100 or tens. Just same like this. What is the place value of 9, 1000, ones, 100 or tens? Write the correct option. Hurry up. Done? Okay. Move toward 79. Okay. In 79, again division question is given. We discuss at the very start that this symbol is this sign used for division. It's mean division. Okay. You people just read out table of 9 to get answer 81. Okay. This mean division symbol, just like this, student, this symbol. Okay, this symbol mean you people divide 81 on which number to get answer 9. Clear? Options are 7, 8, 9 and 10. Done it? Okay. 80. Objective number 80. January has dash days. How many days in the month of January? 28 days, 29 days, 30 days or 31 days. People select the correct option and write on your answer sheet. Done. Objective number 81. December has dash days. How many days in the month of December? 29 days, 30 days, 28 days or 31 days. Okay, write the correct option. Hurry up. Done. Okay, product of 2 and 12. Product means just multiply. Product of 2 and 2 is dash. You people multiply 2 with 2 to get answer 24, 12, 30 or 16. Write the correct option on your answer sheet. Number 83. Again, product mean multiply. Product of 4 and 8 is, what is the answer of 4 and when you people multiply 4 with 8 or read out table of 4 up to 8. You people get 24, 36, 32 or 12. Write the correct option here. You people write the correct option on your answer sheet. Okay. Number 84. Sum of 16 and 31 is, sum mean addition. You people add these two numbers and write the correct answer. Options are 47, 74, 29 or 37. Hurry up. Done it? Great. Again, sum, you people add these two numbers, sum of 90 and 50. You people add 50 and 90 to get the answer Hurry up. Options are 14, 100, 150 or 140. Speed up. Done it? Good. 86. Sum of 35 and 65 is, again you people add these two numbers to get the answer. Hurry up. 8. Speed up. Options are 110, 100, 105 and 115. Done? Okay. 87. 76 plus dash is equal to 85. Which number you people add in 76 to get answer 85? Answer is 6, 7, 8 and 9. Hurry up. Done it? Great. Move toward 88. Okay, look at to the 88. Dash plus 17 is equal to 20. What number you people add in 17 to get answer 20? Options are 3, 4, 5 or 6. You people just write the correct option on your answer sheet. Done? Okay, difference. Difference means subtraction of 60 and 32. You people just subtract 32 from 60. Okay, and the answer is 32, 8, 28 or 92. Hurry up. Subtract 32 from 60 and write the correct answer on your answer sheet. Give the question number must. Okay. 90. Objective number 90. 745 is dash number. So easy. Look at to its ones digit. It is odd number, even number, ordinal number or none of these. Okay, you people solve such a type of objectives. Okay. 2001 is dash number. Again look at to its ones digit. It is even or odd. Okay, so the total number is odd, even, ordinal or none of these. 2001 is odd, even or ordinal number. Hurry up. Done? Okay, 1 minute dash second. How many second in 1 minute? 24, 12, 60 or 10. How many seconds in 1 minute? Done? Okay. 70 minus dash is equal to 70. Which number you people subtract from 70 to get answer 70? Options are 0, 70, 10 and 75. You people select any number and write on your answer sheet. Okay, which one is the correct one? You people just check out. 94, 26. Urdu counting, you people write in Urdu counting. Okay, these Urdu counting are given here. Just okay. So you people write 26 in Urdu counting. Look at 4 options are again given. You people just select the correct one. Which one is the correct? Okay. Done? This is just like this. Okay. This is 7. Done? Student, I just do the correction in this option. Okay, there are some misprinting. Okay, this is just like, okay, 6 like this. Okay, clear? There's some printing problem, so you people write 26 in Urdu counting. Options are given here. Clear? And write the answer in your on your worksheet. Move towards the 95. 60 minus 55. Again you people subtract 55 from 60 and write the correct one answer here. Hurry up. Options are 5, 10, 50 or 15. Got it? Good. Okay, number 96. 72 divide 8. Again this symbol mean division. Read out table of 8 to get answer 72. You people read table of 8 up to 6, up to 7, up to 8 or up to 9. Write the correct one answer on your answer sheet. Hurry up. Done it? Okay, move toward number 97. Okay, look at to number 97. Product of 8 and 7 is product mean multiply. Read out table of 8 or 7 up to 8 or 8 up to 7 or 7 up to 8. And the options are 65, 56, 45 and 50. And write the correct answer on your answer sheet. Clear? 98. Again this symbol means simply division. Okay, divide 32 by 4. Read out table of 4 to get answer 32. Options are 8, 7, 6 and 5. You people just select the correct one answer and write on your answer sheet. Just like 98, 99, divide 10 by 10. So easy. Read out table of 10 to get answer 10. Options are 10, 1, 2 and 10. Which one is the correct option? Which one is the answer? You people copy the answer on your answer sheet. Okay. The last one is one lunar year is equal to dash month. Lunar year, Islamic month. How many months in Islamic year? 12, 13, 14 or 15. Okay. You people just write the correct option on your answer sheet. Hurry up. So this is the total 100 MCQs. Okay. You people solve? No. Look it to the key. You people compare your answer with this key. Okay. And how many questions, how many objective you people do correctly? Just check it. Okay. This is the key. Okay. When you people solve all objectives, you people then compare your answer with this key. Okay. Maybe there are any mistake in this key, but I'm sure inshallah you people find no mistake. Okay, so you people can just check your answer. Okay, and how many marks you people got it, just check out. Okay, this is just like 26. Okay, this one just like this. Clear? Clear, student? And when you people solve all these objectives, you people staple your objective answer sheet in your test notebook. Okay, weekly test notebook you people staple at the end. Clear? Thank you.